Hello, I'm in a 2011 Nissan Murano, and today I'm going to show you how to open this gas cover so you can refill and stay on the road. So as you're finding out, this doesn't want to just open by itself. So the safety release will go inside the driver's door. And then right here, there should be a button. You push it maybe once or twice, and then now you'll see that it released. Should be able to open now. And then redirections, obviously, but you unscrew, fill with gas as needed, screw back on. When you're finished, close this up, and it'll be safety secured again. If you're having issues with this opening, maybe once you finally can find a way to open it, make sure there's no debris or anything stuck in here or parts bent out of shape that need fixed. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.